Controversy.
Ambunge moima na ithithi kengu makigathiriria uiguano uyu uria moigite ni ukuingira mabuku-ini ma rekodi cia bururi. Akiruta mawoni make mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini ya Senate Moses Wetangula ni oigire uiguano uyu ni ikinya ria mbere ria kurehe ugaruruku bururi-ini.
But for the village and the community.
Wetangula uria ni umwe wa atongoria a ngwataniro ya NASA na uria ukoretwo agitetia thirikari ya Jubilee na njira nene ni oigire we na aruna ake thiini wa NASA Kalonzo Musyoka na Musalia Mudavadi ni maranyita mbaru urumu uyu.
This unity between the two leaders is going to improve our economic prosperity.
Na thutha wa gukorwo makiuga matigutambura Uhuru Kenyatta ta mutongoria wa bururi, hindi ya ndereti umuthi ambunge othe a mung'ethaniro ni matamburire Uhuru ta president.
This is now the moment of lucidity for Kenyans. Even those who have embraced political lunacy now embrace lucidity and come back to the rails, and let's move forward together.
Mutongoria wa aria aingi thiini wa Senate Kipchumba Murkomen na munini wa Speaker Kithure Kindiki ni magathiriirie urumwe gatagati ka atongoria aya eri makiuga ni ukurehe a Kenya hamwe na uhotithie kurehe ugaruruku munene.
They should be respected for the decision they took, and particularly the Right Honorable Odinga, because you see, when you have lost an election, whether you think you have lost fairly or unfairly, it's not very easy to come to terms with that and still be at the negotiating table for the sake of the nation.
Of jobs is possible. Development is possible. The economy can grow. Because if the economy of this country goes down, it is not just a Jubilee person or a NASA person who will lose, Mr. Speaker. It is the whole country that is going to lose.
Thiini wa bunge ya bururi mutongoria wa aria anini John Mbadi uria wambiriirie ndereti iyo ni agathiriirie uiguano wa atongoria aya eri. Ona kuri oguo Mbadi ni athathaurire uiguano uyu ti wa kugayana thirikari, indi ni wa kuhotithia bururi kurehe ugaruruku uria ubataranitie.
We are committed to this cause, and no amount of blackmail will get us off the track.
Akinyita mbaru uiguano uyu mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini ya bururi Aden Duale ni oigire thirikari ni ihaririirie kurutithania wira na mwena wa mung'ethaniro kurehe ugaruruku wa bata bururi-ini mbere ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2022.
Raila Odinga is a brand, my friend. Mr. Speaker, he's a brand. And as Jubilee, in fact, we are talking to him. We want him to endorse and say Ruto Tosha in 2022.
Ambunge gukindira uiguano wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga nikionereria mawatho maria mekwendekithia mahitukio niguo marehe ugaruruku matigukorwo na ihinda iritu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.